from the sides, and then hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. We are about to finish with the discharging operations, and also we are preparing the ship for sea. You call it preparing the vessel for sea. Long sailing we have. The next port of call will be received, and let's proceed with the final checks and the preparations to be done before leaving from this port. Now look at the gangway, guys. Discharging almost finished. We have just around 10,000 tons of cargo remaining. So this is the angle at which the gangway is now at, as the ship is almost empty. We don't have ballast water also in, so look at this. This is the ship side, and if you look at the stern, see, that is the propeller. That fan looking thing is the propeller, and that is the rudder. This rudder basically helps in steering the ship, turns the ship port and starboard, as we call it on board, or left or right. And this propeller, this fan looking stuff, ये propel करता है ship को. This propels the ship forward. अभी will be taking ballast, so all this will go inside. Ballast मतलब जो खाली टैंक्स रहेगा शिप का, साइड में रहता है, उसमें we'll take water. Now look at this. I don't know if you can see because of the sun. So departure preparations are in progress. Around 10,000 tons of cargo was remaining as of this morning. Maybe by tomorrow evening we estimate that the cargo will finish. If so happens, maybe night time we'll sail. If we are lucky enough, then maybe next day morning we'll get a good sleep, and then fresh in the morning we'll start, head back to sea for our next port, next journey, next voyage. This is the cargo. Now we have shifted the berth, and discharging is not from shooters, it's from these cranes. This thing is called the grab. It's called a grab because it grabs the cargo from the hold, and then it drops in the hopper, and then the same cargo comes in the truck. Process is all. Now see, we are in the forwardmost part of the ship. This is how the empty, huge bulk carrier looks like. That is the anchor. This is the bulbous bow, and look at it. Huge. Huge, guys, huge. It's so difficult to climb up the gangway also. Maybe by evening it will all be fine, because we'll be taking some ballast water. I'll show you something, some footages in the evening. I'll put it. We are almost, our draft is around 5.35 now forward. So I'll go in the cargo hold, and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside the empty cargo hold of this big bulk carrier. Chalo, see you inside. Let's open number 2 cargo hold. So this is the control panel for opening and closing the holds. The jack is lifting up. You see, it has to lift up from here to this level until it comes in level with this track. See, slowly it is coming, and once it's in the level like this, जैसे ट्रेन चलता है वैसे we'll open it.
आगे सर, ओके.
ओके पीछे बचा हुआ है. पोर्ट साइड चेक करो, पोर्ट साइड आगे. Slowly. See the cargo hold is opening now. Slowly it will open now. You see this wheel? This wheel is like a train's wheel on a track. Similar to that but bit small. As you can see in the middle the cargo is finished. That part you can already see the tank top, and all the cargo remaining is in the sides. So for that this bulldozer will come in action. We'll just scoop up the cargo from the sides and then put it in the center so that the grab can pick it up easily. So this will be lowered down in the hold. Already one is running in number 5, which will be finished first. You see all this dust is from the cargo. That is the bulldozer working, doing final trimming of the cargo. I think one grab cargo is left, just one grab will be there. And this is how we go down from this ladder. This is the Australian ladder and that side is the vertical ladder. Now let's go down and see what it looks like. So it's the evening watch, and first I want to show you the beautiful sunset. So we have received our voyage orders. Right now we are in Iran. So the next port of call will be Fujairah. From there we'll be taking bunkers and stores. And then to the Avi point we'll be taking armed guards, transiting through HRA, the Suez Canal, and then the Mediterranean Sea, the Strait of Gibraltar, and from North Atlantic Sea all the way up to a loading port in Quebec, Canada. That is the voyage plan for this voyage. It will take around 28 days to reach Canada. So if you guys like my videos, please hit the like button, please share the videos and do subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. That would be all guys. Thank you for watching. Jai Ram Ji Ki. See you in the next vlog. Thank you.